Hello dears, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm showing you this easy vegan muffin recipe. I'm using some eggs here, some nut butter, maple syrup, honey, vanilla extract, and I'm just mixing this together. Some plant-based milk, some flaxseed, baking powder and baking soda, some rolled oats, and some oat flour. So I'm just going to mix all this together, and I'll be scooping this into my already lined baking pan. And once I'm ready, I already preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and I'll be baking this for 30 minutes. As you can see, it's so golden brown, and I tell you, this is so crusty on the outside and so fluffy on the inside. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, comment on our channel, and also share this video. If you haven't, please subscribe. I'll see you next time.